What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about a really exciting opportunity. We're talking about Churchill Capital, CCIV. This is a SPAC play, a special purpose acquisition company, which is in talks to take Lucid Motors public. Now if you aren't aware of what a SPAC is essentially a blank check company with no real operations of its own, and its sole purpose is to find a company that wants to go public, which in this case is Lucid Motors. Now this is just rumors as at this stage, so keep that in mind. Right, so let's take a look at the chart. As you can see here, it's had massive gains in the last 5 days. The reason behind the upward momentum is based off on strong rumors, as I mentioned earlier, that CCIV is going to take Lucid Motors public. Now, Lucid Motors going public is a huge deal, and you can see that investors are betting on CCIV to pull this off in the end. I mentioned that I was going to buy CCIV to my Patreons when this stock was trading at around $15. So if you want to get the latest information on when I'm buying or selling a stock, then consider supporting the channel by becoming a Patreon. Right, so let's get on with this video. Now I want to talk about a note from an analyst on PitchBook that further supports the idea of Lucid Motors going public via CCIV. Lucid Motors is a US-based electric vehicle startup founded in 2007. The company's CEO, Peter Rawlinson, was the chief engineer for the Tesla Model S. The company raised $1 billion in development capital from Saudi Arabia's public investment fund in late 2018. Lucid Motors' upcoming vehicle, the Lucid Air, is a luxury sedan meant to compete with upscale German luxury cars, $100,000 plus price point. Lucid has unveiled impressive performance figures for the vehicle, which has independently confirmed range of over 500 miles, provides 20 miles per minute of charging, and will reportedly deliver at least 1,000 horsepower, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 3 seconds, and a quarter mile time in the 9-second range. The company's powertrain is proprietary as it was developed in-house, unlike several of Lucid's competitors that have outsourced their powertrains. We expect the Lucid Air to be a formidable new entrant in the broader luxury car segment, which has traditionally been dominated by German brands such as Mercedes and Audi. Although Lucid is currently well capitalized, we believe the company will need to raise several $100 million to launch its upcoming SUV platform. Given its impressive proprietary technology, need for capital, and the public market environment, we believe Lucid would be an ideal candidate for a SPAC IPO. In January 2020, reports surfaced that Lucid Motors was in talks to merge with Churchill Capital Corp 4 at a valuation of $15 billion. In my opinion, Lucid Motors is going to pose the same challenge that NIO poses to Tesla in China. Lucid Motors, like NIO, is focused more on the luxury and quality side of things, so I don't think it will be in direct competition with Tesla, especially given its price point. However, I have no doubt that Lucid Motors will do extremely well in the United States and in the world all over. The car looks absolutely stunning, and it looks like it will be available in early 2022. Peter Rawlinson was the chief engineer for the Tesla Model S, who now works for Lucid Motors, so you have the right type of people working behind the scenes. Couple that with Saudi investment in terms of financial backing, and you've got a solid company with massive growth potential. So my final verdict on CCIV is that it's important to not get carried away and still see this as a rumor, but even though it's still just a rumor, it seems like we keep getting a new clue every day. However, because I was able to start a position earlier on over here, I have some protection in case the merger never happens and a sell-off occurs. Personally, I'm closely following this stock. If the merger gets announced officially, I'll add more shares. Until then, I'm holding on to my shares. So that's it from me, guys. Do let me know what you think about this stock, and also more importantly, what you think about Lucid Motors and their potential in the EV market. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.